Hey guys, welcome to Winning Wednesday. I'm going to read you a portion of a success story that I got from a client about 2 years ago. An amazing win. All right, listen to this. During his program, me obviously, I realized I had the power to make the right choices about what to eat, and Carlos helped me learn that I needed to read all labels. There are so many foods with bad ingredients, and I learned how to navigate them and find what was good for me. I no longer crave sugar, which feels like freedom. I am enjoying my life and I'm so happy that I have dropped 40 pounds. I'm continuing the keto diet, which has become my way of life, and my exercise routine is intact. Thank you, Carlos, for all your motivation, encouragement, and education. See, when you train with Theta Goal Fitness, you win. So train with me if you want to win, and I'll see you all on the other side.